Hey guys, this is how to mark all mails as read in Gmail. So guys, in order for you to do that, first thing that you will do is go to the search bar over here and search for is and a double colon unread and enter. And from here, you should be able to see all of your emails that you haven't read. And from here, just click on this to select all. And from here, guys, you will be only selected the emails that are on this page, as you can see over here. But if you want to select everything, you can click on this. Select all messages that match this search. So guys, just simply click on these three dots over here and you'll be able to see here marked as read. So now if you don't see that option, just click on switch to simple toolbar over here. And as you can see, you will not be able to see it. And if you want to show it up, just click on switch to advanced toolbar and it will show up over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!